Okay. Do you want to start the intro?
Let's start the intro.
Okay, I just started the video. Hi guys, we're back for our video, and today we're with Elijah, cousin Elijah.
Wait for me, Kuya. Wait for me. I started again.
Oh, sorry. Okay, I'm here.
Okay. Kuya,
Look,
wait for
he's
me.
in my webcam. You're right there.
Kuya, wait for me. I died.
Guys, a hide and seek video might be coming out today. Depends.
Yeah, I know.
But when we recorded the hide and seek video, like every time when we recorded, the recording stopped. Like keeps stopping. I don't know.
Yeah, keep stopping. I don't know why it keeps stopping.
Okay, let's
Look at my character, guys.
like that. I might have to play like that.
Yeah, like that. That's what my character looks like.
I'm gonna come and block you.
Don't block me.
Elijah, next time you come over, I'm gonna tell you how many views. Probably tomorrow. Elijah, tomorrow you're gonna do another video.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm not even waiting.
Kuya, wait for
Sub
me.
to Elijah. Sub to whose channel? Cousin Elijah.
Serena's channel. What?
Unsubscribe to her channel. Subscribe to my channel.
Okay, I
Don't
made
find
it.
the talking.
I'm gonna leave you.
Okay, go ahead.
What did he say?
It says, here we are. Let's go. I wish we can have something where I can.
I'm going in the haunted house. See, look, I'm going in the haunted house. See?
Okay, look.
I'm gonna go.
Here we go. Look.
Go in front of me because I'm scared.
We're scared.
We're making a video. Come on, Kuya. Jump in.
Video.
Gaming video on Roblox.
Yeah.
So here. It's all mine.
Oh.
We're in the haunted house. Look,
I changed my skin. I'm naked now.
Mommy, look, Kuya's naked.
Ew.
He only has pants.
I know.
I mean, why doesn't he have pants?
Elijah, when do you want to end the video? What time? 15 minutes?
Yeah, when we're done with this obstacle.
Okay.
Okay, I made it through the pumpkins. But yeah, I'm gonna wait for you.
If this video gets to 5 likes, 5 likes, I know you guys like to see cousin Elijah on these videos.
Yeah.
Cause last video got 54 views.
Yeah.
I think they love you in the videos, cause it got 2 likes. It's not even.
I wanna make my own video when I'm bigger.
Yeah, like you can do it anytime.
Yeah.
Someone sent me a friend request.
Me too.
Huh? Oh, same girl. What's up? Okay.
Yay!
I
We
said
did it. Me
Me and
too.
Elijah both got a friend request from the same girl.
Is it she?
Her name began with a. Oh yeah, she's on the next level. It's her right.
I see her. See, why is she gray?
No,
She's the banker hair girl.
No, it's actually the same girl, but she's on the 4th level. And
Come on, Clea.
what?
Why you keep?
Want to eat some more, Elijah?
More what?
Sabao.
No.
You wanna?
Come
Come on.
on. You can.
Oh, I'm so down.
You need help?
No, you can leave me.
Okay, I'm gonna leave you. No. Okay. No, I'm not gonna leave you.
If you're scared, just wait for me. Elijah, I think that was actually that girl. I'm not sure, but I believe so.
Let me see what's in here.
She friend both of us.
Oh, look at this.
I suck.
Look at my screen. What's this?
I don't know.
Oh, there's a lot of checkpoints, so we have to do this.
Elijah, I wish we could do one of those things where, you know how some YouTubers, they record each other, but they switch screens, like...
Some brownies.
Mommy!
Leave a like if you guys like that. We said it at the same time.
Mommy!
I can't help it.
Oh, come on, Clea. How do you jump?
Space.
Space to jump?
Yeah, since I'm on the computer.
Like space to click your parachute?
I flip.
And ice gliding? In the Roblox ice gliding?
Guys, don't look, please.
So like Robux. I'm coming. I'm coming to save you or nothing. I'm coming to get you.
I'm gonna rage.
Wait, just follow me. Just follow me. Just follow me. Okay, go here.
I played the Tower of Hell, whatever it is. I believe it's called the Tower of Hell. And how am I keep dying on these?
Just follow him with the pirate hat.
Come on. Oh, come on. Ugh.
Wait for me. Wait for me, Kuya. Ah, I died.
Elijah, oh, you got the checkpoint. You got the
Wait
checkpoint.
for me.
No, you got the checkpoint.
Wait for me, Kuya.
Alright.
Are you gonna wait for me?
Yeah. Okay, let's go.
I can do it. Yay. Yay.
Sorry, guys. I need my water.
You're thirsty?
Yeah.
Hi. Come on. Hey, why did you close the door on me? We have to jump. Auntie, are you gonna make brownies?
Elijah, do you want... Auntie, are you gonna still be in my room?
Yeah. You guys can go in your room.
Okay,
Let's go there.
Elijah, let's go in our room now, because a lot of people are talking.
Okay, let's go.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
You guys are the one who's talking.
Okay, let's go, guys. I'm gonna wait. Elijah, what do you want to do, on my bed?
Yeah.
Okay, sorry about that, guys.
I'm gonna sit.
Right here. Let me
Like
turn on
this?
these lights, yeah.
Let me sit
Let
here.
me turn on these lights so they can see us all.
Okay. Hi guys, we're back. Why did you turn the TV off?
Elijah, we're gonna sleep here, okay?
But I want to sleep in the top.
With Jing Jing?
Yeah.
Jing Jing's not gonna sleep there. He's scared.
Yeah.
You wanna sleep here? With Shasha?
Yeah.
On top? You and Shasha sleep on top?
No, I'm gonna sleep down. Kuya, why you keep doing that? Just follow me.
I know.
I need
You
to
guys
close.
can stay on the floor.
Come on.
Huh?
Ah, I died. We died at the same time.
Watching.
I'm back here. There's no checkpoint
Guys,
at the end.
The thing is in the box. The direction.
Guys, there's actually gonna be a video.
Elijah.
It's 5 ways
don't you
to
sit over
prank
here?
my cousin.
Okay.
No, it's just like a Italian pirates now.
You see me jumping?
Don't put your back on the window because it's cold. Put your back right here.
Come on, Kuya, you can do
Okay.
it. You can do it. You can do it. Yay! What's in here? What? You like? Oh, we can't touch the roll-up things. The roll-up carpet. I died.
Elijah, is it okay if I do 5 ways to prank my cousin
Yeah.
on you? As a YouTube video?
Yeah.
Okay, it's
I
gonna come out.
died. Wait for me. Ah!
We're gonna have a sleepover. My hair's weird.
I keep touching it. Let me try. Can you do double jump in this game? I want to play Minecraft. Oh, you can't do double jump.
Where's the Xbox tomorrow? Elijah, you know this video actually ends at 15 minutes? No, you're actually on camera.
I want to play Minecraft. What? I'm gonna look at the ground.
You want to do another video after this?
Yeah.
Okay. You want to do another gaming video?
Yeah.
We're gonna do another gaming video,
Come
guys. But it might be on a different game, right?
Yeah, it's gonna be on a different game, kids.
They're actually not kids. Some might be adults.
Yeah, like big kids. Like school.
I'm doing a video.
Ah, I died. I died when I jump in the, I don't know, thing. The brick thing. The wood thing.
I'll only plug up one plug. You know I'm in a video with Elijah, right?
Cause it's supposed to be nighttime.
Can you fix it? He wants to play Minecraft.
Okay, here.
What is?
Okay, sorry guys. I'm not.
Yeah.
Sorry about that. People keep walking.
We need to
into our
go
room.
upstairs.
I know.
Are you making a YouTube?
Yeah.
Kuya, are you gonna sleep in the top?
No, you guys are sleeping in here.
So where are you gonna sleep?
I can't say this on camera. I have to pause.
What are you doing?
Sorry about that, guys. I just have to pause the video and just tell something private to my cousin Elisha.
Yeah. Come on, Kuya, you can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Yeah.
You actually made it?
Yeah, I made it.
Oh my god.
See, look. I made it. I see you. Hi, Kuya.
I said I'm gonna stop doing Roblox videos on my channel. Since you came over, now I have to.
Okay, you
But
made it.
I'm still gonna do Roblox
Ninja,
videos.
ninja, 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 ninja. Come on.
I can't jump. This video actually.
Oh my god. Oh my god. I died. Oh. I have to go upstairs again. Because
Guys,
there's no checkpoint there.
guys, there's actually not gonna be a movie coming out on Sunday because my stupid phone ran out of. Don't make me punch this. If you guys don't subscribe to
Our channel.
I might call this like. I might just start asking
Okay,
people.
green
to do
lasers.
this.
Green lasers.
Okay.
Ready?
Achoo!
That's. I just. Oh, I died. I
I bet
touched
you
it.
$100 that I bet everybody right now is that watching this video is actually laughing at Elijah's username. Elijah, my cousin Elijah, say your username
What's my username?
on Roblox.
eStinky25.
People are probably like,
I have a funny name. You know that?
Yeah.
I didn't even touch it.
Keep dying.
I didn't touch it.
Guys, we actually might not make it to the end of this video, so it's just gonna be a short.
Short what?
I'm just gonna call this. I'm just call this playing Escape the Haunted Mansion with
Yeah.
my cousin Elisha.
It's not even scary.
I know.
How is it not scary?
We might finish this off camera. I think for the next video we should be on top of the bunk bed.
Okay.
No, we
But
don't
you're
have
too
to.
big.
I know, but I can fit.
But you can't. But you're gonna touch the roof in your head and you're gonna bump on your head. And fall down.
No, you guys are mean. They're mean. If
Come on, Queen. Okay, I'm gonna fall down the stairs. How do I fall down?
no, you're gonna have to redo it again. Go hit the checkpoint.
No, I'm not. I'm gonna wait for you.
Okay. My toe is so.
very high. Mine too.
No, I think your toe looks beautiful.
Yeah, looks.
I'm weird, guys. If you guys think I'm weird, hit that
Subscribe.
and hit that like button.
Yeah, hit the like button so you can join our channel.
My favorite cousin of them all.
Come on, are you gonna do it or something?
Actually, Elijah, do you want to start your own YouTube channel?
Yeah.
What
Oh
do you
my
wanna
gosh, how many Robux is this? I only have 8 Robux, guys.
call it? You
Do you know
You
that?
sound like a cool.
I know. Okay.
No, you're not allowed to come. No, don't look. Ow! You hit me.
I'm trying to hit the wall. Oh, we can't touch these monster books.
Eat Elijah. Don't.
No! We died at the same time. Those monsters doesn't look scary to me.
This time Elijah gets to pick the game because I chose this game. No, Elijah actually chose this game. So you get to still pick the game.
Yeah, I made it.
We're just gonna do videos all day today.
Yeah, because I'm spending the night in my cousin's house, and we're in the bunk bed.
Yeah. I actually haven't done a room tour because people don't know.
Why keep dying in the book?
Oh my god, stop!
Stop it! I keep doing this. That's
Oh,
why.
the video's about to end. Bye, guys. Bye, guys. See you later in the next video. Hit my computer again.